Slips.
6.
Starts.
No!
Welcome to my channel, here's the intro song. My name is Ella Bogan, subscribe to come along. Like my videos, next week there's more. Let's begin right now.
Okay, so we're at the beach.
Yay.
It's the first day of summer, so we're all really excited. Basically, I'm gonna vlog every single day this summer.
You are? Every
Yeah.
day?
I know.
That's so many videos.
I know, it's gonna be really lit, so yeah. Be sure to stay tuned. Okay.
That's normal.
Say hi to the vlog, John.
Hi.
How did the vlog, John?
Hey.
Let's play what are the odds. Yeah, the rules are it's from 10 to 1, and you can't use people in yours. Like, you can't talk to other people because we don't want to disturb people at the beach. But there's a fish at me! Holy!
Where?
Right there, it's following me!
What are the odds that you will go over to the bush over there and say, I'm pooping, don't look?
2, 1,
5.
Woohoo, I lucked out. Okay, what are the odds that you ride that log like a cowboy? 1 to 10. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 5.
6.
Ah! Okay, what are the odds that you go on that rock there and scream, I am the king and you are my servants? Okay, 3, 2, 1, 5. Oh, you're such a dumbass. Okay.
Okay, when I'm about to scream, don't pay any attention to it. It's just what are the crap. We're just playing what are the odds. So just do you think? Yeah. I am the king and you are my servant.
No, you have to go first. We can't go out of order.
Okay, what are the odds that you go and run a circle around mom and dad's tent and don't tell them why you're doing it when they ask?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, 4. Damn it. Okay, well, can I do one for you before we...
Yeah.
Okay. Did you see where that kid was up there throwing rocks down?
No?
I dare you to get this rock right here and throw it and be like, yay!
Where do I throw it from?
The top of there.
The big one?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
3.
Oh, damn. Okay, so what do I have to say? Are you struggling?
Oh, Jesus Christ, it's hard out.
Okay.
2, 1. Oh my God, I nearly fell in. The one you were vlogging with Charlie. Yeah. She won't put this in her vlog, I know. Do, 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 do. Okay, so, yeah.
What is going on? Don't jump in that yoke, you'll break.
Ella's getting an exercise.
Okay.
Welcome to my channel, here's the intro song.